Oh my god. Hey bro, what happened?
Oh, I'll explain you what happened in detail.
Oh no. Grammar fast. You should say, I'll explain to you what happened in detail.
Oh my god. Okay. It all happened yesterday when I was returning from school. I was chased by an angry monkey which wanted the fruit in my hand, but I was not in a mood to share it with it. That's why it ran after me, and I ran and ran and ran, lane after lane. I fell down, and the result is this.
You should have shared the fruit with the monkey. Anyways, I wish you a speedy recovery.
Thank you, friend.
For interesting videos, please subscribe to my channel.